Warszawa Zachodnia is a key element of the Warsaw Railway node. The cross-city line starts from Warszawa Zachodnia and handles both urban agglomerations and suburban trains running through Warszawa Śródmieście, as well as long-distance trains going to Warszawa Centralna. In addition, a peripheral line starts from Warszawa Zachodnia, where trains run in the direction of Warszawa Gdańska. Thanks to such a layout, the station currently handles approximately 1,000 trains a day, being in this respect the largest railway station in Poland. Warszawa Zachodnia is not just a railway station. In its immediate vicinity, there is a long-distance bus station, Dworzec Zachodni, as well as several complexes of city bus stops. The heavy level of train and bus traffic is reflected by the 60,000 passengers who use this transport hub every day. A modernization of the cross-city line is planned for 2019 to 2023, which will involve the reconstruction of the entire railway system of Warszawa Zachodnia station. Reconstruction of the underground part of the station at Warszawa Zachodnia is possible only during this period. At present, the platforms are connected by an 8-meter-wide underground passage. Due to its poor technical condition, lack of adaptability to the needs of passengers, and poor functionality, the station requires significant modernization. Pedestrian traffic measurements and a detailed inventory of the entire area have already been carried out as part of the project. Measurement of pedestrian and vehicular traffic was generally conducted using cameras installed by the contractor. Traffic streams were recorded on video, and the amount of traffic in specified relations and cross-sections was noted down. In addition, surveys were conducted to determine the origin-destination matrix of traffic flows. The development of the target architectural structure was carried out on the basis of a number of analyses, which were done using innovative methods, many of which had not been previously used in Poland. These included pedestrian micro-simulations based on previous studies and traffic measurements supported by traffic forecasts up to 2050. In addition, a new component of the passenger information system was introduced, wayfinding. The use of this solution contributed to the creation of a clear and simple functional layout in which the user always knows where he or she is. The concept assumes the adaptation of the existing building of the Warszawa Zachodnia station to the designed functional layout. The existing building of the train station is designed in such a way that it functions in the current system of underground passages. The geometry of the structure, after a slight leveling of elevation differences, will allow for its adaptation to the new passage of Warszawa Zachodnia station currently in design. The platform roofing was designed as a steel construction from modular elements. One module consists of 4 planes arranged together at different angles. The geometry of planes resembles pleats. The duplication of such elements creates a full roof over the track and platforms, giving a very interesting visual effect. The use of modules allows for customization in the size or coverage of the platforms in any way. The roofing can span the entire length of the platforms or just the parts most used. According to the project, the platforms shall remain in their current location. Changes were made to the platforms and the finishing. The platforms now have new exits in new locations. Access to the platforms shall be available via both stairs and escalators. The station will become accessible and convenient for people with disabilities. The number and dimensions of staircases were adjusted to the carried-out pedestrian micro-simulations, taking into account the largest traffic flows in the forecasted time horizon. This is the first time pedestrian micro-simulations have been applied in Poland in the design of such a large public facility. Their main purpose was to optimize the architectural structure and to designate appropriate areas for passenger traffic zones and waiting zones. The main functional assumption is the combination of particular points and locations at the Warszawa Zachodnia station, as well as providing a smooth communication system for passengers. In addition, it was a priority to create a link between Platform 8, about 200 meters away from the other platforms. The design assumes the creation of a main traffic route running at one level, connected directly to the main entrances and exits, passing through all relevant points. The idea behind the concept is to accumulate all functions in this traffic route: passenger service, ticket counters, entrances, exits to platforms, toilets, services, commerce, and catering to facilitate access and improve passenger mobility. The solutions of the wayfinding system have helped to create a clear layout in which the user can navigate. The intermodal junction was verified through the pedestrian microsimulations. The tram stops of the planned new tram line from Wola to Wilanów and further on to Centrum are located directly under the railway station. The main aim of the designers was to locate tram stops as close as possible to the platforms of the Warszawa Zachodnia station. This applies in particular to platforms dedicated to regional and urban agglomeration trains. Passenger exchange from urban agglomeration and regional trains with a tram stop located in their vicinity is crucial for the entire transport interchange. Therefore, the underground part of the station, north of the tram stop to platforms 1, 2 and 3, is the widest. The southern stop is located in the vicinity of the existing PKP railway station, which is in operation since 2016. The entrance to the Dworzec Zachodni bus station is located on the other side of the tram stop. After its construction, the entire railway station will have one ground floor and two underground floors. Also planned is the incorporation of the third metro line, which will end in the vicinity of Warszawa Zachodnia. The investment will coincide with the modernization of the cross-city line. Such a schedule will minimize train traffic problems and difficulties for passengers. Conceptual design was carried out by IDOM for PKP Polish Railway Administration. The architectural design was developed by Glebowski Studio.